today we are going to extract the text from the image. Means if there is an image with the text and we want to extract the text data from that, so we are doing that. So for this we are using Tesseract. So what is Tesseract? Tesseract is an OCR, means open source text recognition engine. means एक इंजन है अपाची सर्वर के अंदर, means it is under Apache 2.0. so it can be used directly by the programmers to extract the printed text from the images, so like that. So first of all you should install in your system sudo apt-get install Tesseract OCR. so फर्स्ट हमें ये इंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा Tesseract OCR. अगर विंडोज़ होगा तो विंडोज़ के लिए दूसरा इंस्टॉलेशन है. एंड दिस इज़ द प्रोग्राम, this is the PIL from image that we are using. So this is PyTesseract. So for this we have to do installing this pip3 install PyTesseract. Okay, it is already satisfied. Okay, here we are opening an image with this image object, then we are giving this function image to string, that here we are giving the language English, like that, and we are printing the text. Okay, so first of all I will show you my image. Where is my workspace? Okay, this is my workspace. So this is the image, yes.jpg. don't trust everyone because sugar and salt. Okay, so we will pass here yes भाई jpg है या. सो प्रॉब्लम ये हुआ था, मैं मेरे सर को पूछता था मुझे कोड चाहिए, तो वो स्क्रीनशॉट भेजता था अपने पीसी का, तो मुझे वो कोड एक्सट्रैक्ट करके मीन्स लिखने में टाइम लगता, तो उसके लिए आई वाज फाइंडिंग दैट हाउ टू एक्सट्रैक्ट द टेक्स्ट. मीन्स आई वांट टू एक्सट्रैक्ट दैट कोड, दैट्स व्हाई. ओके, वी विल नाउ रन दिस कोड. ओके, here is the text that we are wanted. Don't trust everyone because you can see that. Don't trust everyone because sugar and salt both have the same color. This is the extraction. So we will take another one screenshot. Okay, this is the screenshot of our code. Yeah, so we are now extracting this j.png. yeah, this is in my that folder. इधर ही है मेरे इसी folder में. Okay, j.png. okay, okay, means क्या क्या extract हुआ, like from image, import image. yeah, it is extracted, right? okay, like that. So the requirements are just you have to install in your system this Tesseract OCR. this is the object recognition engine, and that's the code, simple code. It can be used in many scenarios, means that's the thing. Okay, if you like this, subscribe. Thank you.